Hey boys, what are we doing? Are we going on a camping trip?
Mm-hmm.
All right. It's gonna be really fun. We're gonna have a fire and we're gonna cook some marshmallows and hot dogs, right?
Mm-hmm.
You super stoked?
I like hot dogs. I love hot dogs.
I do too. Do you like mustard or ketchup?
I like mustard. I like ketchup.
You like ketchup? What do you like, Evan?
Right there. You like mustard? I like mustard too.
I love
Mustard too, and ketchup? Oh, no, just mustard? All right. What do you like, Safira?
Any hot dogs you drop, I will eat them. Yum, yum, yum.
She says she likes all hot dogs and all ketchup and all mustard. All right. We're going to do some time lapse on our way there, so let's go stop by the grocery store. Yay! Alright, so we found our first dirt road. Yay! The kids are sleeping back there, so we're just gonna keep on keeping on. Alright, so we made it to our spot. We're just trying to find a location to camp. We don't want to get too close to people though, right? Alright, are we getting those hammocks set up, Eli?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And mine's a really cool one.
Yeah, it is. What about our tent? Did we get our tent set up?
Yep.
Cool.
And
Awesome.
you got rope because we need it.
Ooh, you got your last Capri Sun? Alright.
And cheese pop.
Yeah.
And then
What do you think, Isaac?
cheese pop.
Open up! Hot
No,
dog.
you don't put it inside the fire.
You want me to do it?
Yeah. I need to cook
You wanna try?
mine.
I hope I don't video something that's gonna end up on the
Karen.
like Facebook for like, oh look, that girl lost her nose.
What?
You know, it's on candy camera. You did a good job.
What are you
climbing up
doing?
there.
Yeah, you did. We should get a picture of you up there. Where's my phone? Haha. Are you still taking a video?
Yeah.
Eli, say cheese.
For the YouTube channel.
Say cheese.
For the YouTube channel?
For the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
All right, nice. Did you guys find all that?
Yeah, I had to go find out where he was going, and he was like over there in the wilderness by himself.
Wow, that's a good find.
I know. You want to eat it like mommy likes it? I think he's put the leash on.
Say Hulk smash.
Hook smash.
Hulk smash.
Oh no.
It didn't work.
It's more lively than I believed.
All right, let's try this again. Ready? Say Hulk smash.
Hook smash. Hey, Daddy, I have a good treat.
There you
Daddy, I have
go.
a good treat.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Did you guys sleep really good last night? What happened last night? Did you hear any wind and rain?
Yeah, I heard
It was so windy.
Yeah, it
I had to
was.
go pee before it started raining, and I was scared the trees were going to attack me.
Yeah, we had one branch fall on the tent, but hey, I don't see any damage. So
Bounced right off, I think. but
yeah, I think we're okay.
it
But
was freaky.
it was supposed to be 20-knot gusts last night, and I would say it definitely was.
I mean, look at the trees now, and imagine how much they would have been if it was like triple this.
Yeah,
Like, look up. Look at like the way they're swaying and stuff.
yeah,
From this little breeze. It was crazy last night.
right. What happened, guys?
I sat down on the hammock, and it was not.
The hammock was suspended
was-
for kids, not for mommy, huh? So Evan's trying to help mommy, and Isaac and Eli decided to just jump on mommy. So
Okay, all right, you're squishing Isaac.
This is where we're at. Come over here if you want to go on this mission. You guys ready? We're gonna be on. We're doing mission firewood. Come over here. Follow me. Right there, that little pine tree is dead. Let's see who can push it over. Go help together. Go work together. Oh, go work together. Go guys, go. Go. Is it too strong?
Yeah, it's really strong, so we need it.
All right.
Everybody say.
Strong one.
Yeah.
All right, mommy's gonna push it. Everybody back up. Back up so the top doesn't hit you, Isaac.
That one's in there good.
Stand by mommy, Evan.
It's gonna hit you, Mommy.
Oh, that looks hilarious.
Dang it, Daddy.
This is a good idea.
Said nobody ever.
Stay back here, Eli.
Let us. Move.
Back up, Eli. All right, let the kids do it now, honey. Yep, push that way.
Evan, you're on the wrong side, so fall on you.
It's gonna fly
Watch out.
you.
Push it, Eli. Whoa!
No,
Mission success, right, guys?
High five.
High five. Mission success. Mission success.
No.
Isaac's turn. Oh, Evan, your turn. Mission success. It's okay. Stop, Isaac.
All right,
Good
now
job.
You have to carry it.
Hey.
Good.
Hey, I'm recording this, not you.
I'm recording this too.
Nope.
You said your phone was dying.
It is dying. All right, well, that was fun.
Yeah.
Did you guys have a fun time camping?
Yeah. I love the camping time today because I found this penny.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's an awesome find, huh? Were you digging when you found it?
No, it was just on the ground dirt. They just dropped it in a flat place.
What'd you think, Evan?
Not good.
Why not?
I just found something really round and I picked it up and it was a penny.
Well, I think you guys are silly. I think we had a fun time, and I think it was cool that
The windstorm came in.
Oh, you're upset because you didn't find a penny?
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's a little bit sad, huh? But that storm was fun, huh?
It was a little crazy.
Yeah, I don't think we have any footage of it, but
Nope. I thought about it, but I was like, I know.
Anyways, we're heading back, and we will see if we find any dirt roads on the way back. All right, so we found some more awesomeness we're going to drive through now. You guys ready?
Ready.
All right.
How are we gonna see?
It's tied. Whoa. Listen, boys. We're exploring this road right now, okay? Okay. It was shaking too much suction to the window, so if you could just hold it, that'd be good.
I can't see. There's too much water on the windshield. Good one. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. All right, guess what, guys? I'm gonna step outside real quick and see if there's a cool picture to take, okay? Got it?
Got it.
Got it?
Got it.
Got it?